Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Charles of Icon. We shall be discussing law of evidence or evidence law. When I say that law of evidence is one of the vital things in law, especially if you are talking about proceedings in law or legal proceedings, or talk about litigation, maybe civil litigation or criminal litigation, it must deal with evidence. Now let's talk about what evidence is all about. Evidence is what governs principles of law. Evidence is what governs the facts or principles of proceedings. As in, evidence is what governs. Evidence tells us how a fact or evidence that is brought before court will be admitted before the court. As in the determination aspect of it, how it should be admitted, the one that is acceptable, the one that is not acceptable. And we have different types of evidence, like we have best evidence, we have primary evidence, we have secondary evidence, we have original evidence, we have other different types of evidence. But most important thing is that the law of evidence or evidential law is discussing facts and how facts will be determined in the legal proceedings or in the litigation. So, for instance, this law of evidence you'll be taught, or it talks what we talk about fact in issue. There's what is called fact in issue, fact related to fact in issue, or fact that does not relate to fact in issue. This is what the law of evidence will educate you on. You now know the one that is fact in issue, fact related to fact in issue, etc. This is what law of evidence will teach you. And the facts or those evidences who can be admissible and one who cannot be admissible. We have general rules, we have exceptions. Now, like the one that is called hearsay. Generally hearsay is not admissible, but as an exception is admissible. So all these things is what law of evidence will teach you. Law of evidence will equally teach you those things that can be allowed, those evidences or facts that can be allowed in the proceedings or in the legal proceedings. So depending the area you want, but most likely once you want to study or want to know more about law of evidence, or want to study law of evidence, you'll be taught everything about law of evidence. Like when I did it, we did the first one in 400 level. We did the second one in second semester 400 level. So depending your school, how your school summarizes or how your institution does it, but law of evidence is very, very sine qua non and vital to law, especially if we talk about legal proceedings. Please, if you want to know more about this law of evidence I just discussed here, please proceed to Amazon and get my law of evidence by Charles of Icon. You know more about law of evidence. Thank you for listening to my YouTube channel. I still remain Charles of Icon. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. God bless you.